to our Vernon's YouTube channel. Today we are making a Lemon Drop Martini. It is available in our cocktail kits that you can purchase in store, and the recipe will be listed with the kit when you buy it. Enjoy. Like, not too sober for this. All right, we're gonna teach you how to make a lemon drop today. Now this is a very classic cocktail. It only has 3 ingredients, so it should be very easy. Wheatley vodka is our prime ingredient, which you're gonna have in your cocktail kits. Next is gonna be simple syrup with the recipe on how to make that in your kit as well. And some lemon juice, a very simple drink. 3 ingredients, and it's a perfect drink to practice balance with because the citrus and the sweetness are basically one and the same. Perfect. All right, let's go for it. I want you to do 1.5 ounces of your vodka. 1 ounce of simple syrup. 1 ounce of lemon. And that's it. Very, very simple. Shake hard for about 10 seconds. What we're doing here is diluting and chilling. The reason you do that is, if you just mix those ingredients without it being cold, obviously it won't be as enjoyable. Second, the water adds flavor. It's not as sharp when you add a little bit of water. So take a martini flute, and I'm just rimming the outside of the glass with a cut piece of citrus. Then I have some sugar on this plate here, and I just dip it along the outside edge. And that just gives someone an option to have a little bit more sugar if they want. Now, when it comes to straining your cocktail, just strain it right in. Beautiful. Last step, we need our garnish. Now, for a lemon drop martini, I really like to do a small little slice of lemon. And I like to make these really thin because it just looks good floating in the glass. Cheers. Thanks everybody for tuning in today to the Vernon's YouTube channel. We made a lemon drop martini. This is available as part of the kit that we are selling. So if you want to come grab one in person, come do so. Also, come pick our brains. All of our bartenders are very knowledgeable. We host cocktail classes. And if you want to see another drink that you'd like to learn how to make, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe.